Are you in search of free music that you can enjoy offline? You're in luck. Today, I'll show you 2 safe and totally free ways to download music straight to your phone. First off, some apps allow you to download music for free. Here's how it works. The first step is to download a free music app like Audiomack or SoundCloud. Next, search for songs with a download option. Not all songs have it, but many independent artists offer their music for free. Finally, select Download to save it to the app for offline listening. Artists share their music here for fans to access, making it completely legal. Plus, it's a fantastic way to find new songs. The second way involves utilizing YouTube to MP3 converters. First, copy the link to any music video from YouTube. After that, navigate to a trusted YouTube to MP3 site, such as ytmp3.cc. Then paste the link and hit Convert to download the MP3 file to your device. Just a heads up, make sure you're only downloading copyright-free music or songs that are legal to download. There's plenty of royalty-free content out there. And there you go, 2 quick ways to get music on your phone for free. Try them out and let me know which you like best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick app tutorials like this one.